Welcome to online learning prepared by Teacher Edward James from Patumsuk sa 5 Anuban Taksin Bankay International School. This video recording is for educational purposes only. My name is Teacher Edward and I am your speaker for this afternoon. Today, we will have our new lesson, okay? And our new lesson is all about, can you read the PowerPoint? Can you read what is the topic?
Force and motion.
Very good. Force and motion. And also, today there are some questions that we need to answer. Like, what is force? And we are going to answer also, which of your daily activities need forces? And what is a resultant force? Okay, this one, the number 3 is very important. What is a resultant force and what is the relevance of force in our daily life? Is it important to study what is force? So those are the questions that we are going to answer today. Okay, so at this point in time, let's start by turning on your microphone and read some of our vocabulary words for today. Can you turn on your videos and your camera, your microphone as well? Let's read number 1. After I will read them, I want you to repeat. Okay? So number 1, force. Number 2, direction. Number 3, magnitude. Good job. Number 4, resultant force. Number 5, exert. And number 6, the last one, Newton. Now let's read again. Newton. Let's read number 4 again. Resultant force. Okay, thank you. Okay, please copy it in your notebook. Copy it in your, you can do a screenshot. You can do a print screen if you're using a laptop. Or you can copy it on your notebook. Okay? Because we will use these words to answer the crossword puzzle later on. Okay, very good, Wachari. Okay. Please tell me if you're finished. Please tell me if you're finished. What, Charit? Are you finished?
Yes.
Good job. Araya, are you finished?
No.
No, okay. Are you done, everybody? Let me ask Pemeka, are you finished?
No, teacher, but I am.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so thank you for copying all the words. Make sure that you copy all of them so that you can have bonus points later on our crossword puzzle. Number 1, force. Here, force is a push or a pull upon an object. Example, he is using extra force to speed up the bike. Okay, so the more you use force in your bike, the faster you will get. So that is an example of force. All right, and
วันนี้ I want my home.
what happened? You're not at home. Where are you
Yes,
now?
I at home.
You're at home. Okay. Last time you're not at home, right?
Yes.
Okay, so good job. You are now in your room. Very nice room. So now let's go to number 2. Direction.
ข้อหนึ่งแปลเป็นไทยคือบังคับ
Okay. So number 2 is direction. Direction is a course along which someone or something moves. Example, she set off in the opposite direction. So we have here the basic direction, north, south, west, and east. Like in Thailand have north, south, east, and west, and then Rayong province is in the west, east, ใช่ไหม?
มัน
Yes.
ทิศทาง
Yes. So the Rayong province is in the eastern part of Thailand. So in simple terms, the one that we usually use in giving direction is to the left and to the right, right? You go to the left, they go to the right, upward, downward. Yeah, so those are the basic direction. Now let's go to number 3. Magnitude. Magnitude, another term for the magnitude is the size or the measure of how strong the force is. So for example here, how many boxes can you see? 2. Okay, so the first one here, it says a weak force, low magnitude. So the term here, magnitude, is low. It means the force is low also. It is not enough to make the block move to the right. So when you push the box or the block, but your force is very small, it will not, very weak, it will not move. But a strong force, it means high magnitude, moves the block to the right. Okay, so we can use the magnitude in a sentence like this. The plastic box has a small magnitude of force compared to a wooden box. Okay. Number 4, resultant force. It is also called a net force. Okay, resultant force. This is very look at this example, everybody. Please turn on your camera and look at the screen carefully. Please look at the screen because this is very, very, very important. How many boxes you can see? 2, right? The other one is, I don't know what color is this. Maybe it's a pink.
in Thai is a big.
Okay, and we have a pink and we have color blue. Okay, so when there is a 10 Newton, N is Newton, 10 Newton to the left and 20 Newton to the right, the resultant force is 10 Newton because 20 minus 10 is equal to 10. But here in the color blue box, they have the same direction, 15 Newton to the right, and there's also 15 Newton to the right also. So the resultant force is 45 Newton. We are going to study that later. Okay? Now, let's go to the next vocabulary word for today. Exert. Exert means to apply force. Example, man exert a force to move the table. So there are 2 ways you can move the table, through pushing and pulling. Okay, when you pull, it's like this. And then the pulling is you push forward away from your body. That is exert. Number 6, the last word is Newton, or the symbol of Newton is capital letter N. Listen to me carefully. My or it is not good if you write Newton is small letter N. Okay? So it should be capital big letter N. You understand? Newton, capital letter N. You understand, everybody? Okay, very good. Very good. So a Newton is a unit of force. It is defined as that force necessary to provide a mass of 1 kilogram with an acceleration of 1 meter per second. So 1 Newton is equal to 1 kilogram multiplied by meter per second squared. So that is the formula for Newton. But we will not study this one yet. Maybe when you go to Matayom, you will study force and you're going to compute the actual or solve the actual Newton in response to kilogram per meter per second squared. Alright, now time for our vocabulary exercises. Are you ready now? Get your notebook. Where did you write your vocabulary words so that you can answer? My notebook here is ready, and I will write your names. I will write your names here. Whoever answered correctly, I will give extra points. This is group 4. Today is November 22. Okay, so are you ready now? Are you ready?
Yeah!
Alright, so let's go. Let's do it. Number 1, a push or pull. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes. 5 boxes. What is the correct answer?
5 boxes, manager.
Chai. 5 boxes only. What's the word? Please say the correct word. Force. Very good. Watcharit. Watcharit got the extra point. For today, the correct answer is, can you say? Yes, what's the answer? Force. Very good. F-O-R-C-E. Number 2. Number 2 is down. Another term for a net force. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9-letter word. A net force. What is the answer? Watcharit have 5 points. Femika?
I can spell
Okay, can you spell?
D-I-R-E-C-T-I-O-N. Correct?
D-I-R-E-C-T-I-O-N. Direction is sorry. That is wrong.
Oh.
Sorry. Anybody who got the correct answer? Wait. Watcharit, Setreo, ใช่ไหม Watcharit have 5 points already. So let's go to Samonrat. Samonrat, go. Can you spell? Magnitude, ใช่ไหม Magnitude is wrong. Sorry. What is the, read the instruction or the clue. It is a net force. Number 2, a net force. What is the answer? Watcharit, you finished already, Watcharit? Can you Rest for a while and let's wait for your classmate. It is a force, no? It is a force. Anybody? Supercorn? What's the answer? Newton. Oh, Newton is only 6 letter. Newton is wrong. Sorry. I think Pemika, you want to say something? Your mic is off. What's their answer, Pemika?
Spell na teacher.
Okay, sure. Spell.
Magnetue. Correct.
That is the answer of your classmate. That is wrong. Magnitude, Bokleo, wrong. What's the correct one? It starts with letter R. It starts with letter R.
Easy, Ma'am. Another one.
Anybody who can read?
Me.
Someone write, go.
Resultant.
Okay, can you read the first word? Resultant. The correct answer here is resultant. Can you read again? Resultant. Okay, someone right got 5 points. Okay, what about number 3? And apply when you apply the force. What do you call it when you apply?
Exert.
Exert. Who answered? Pemika, tama?
No, I don't.
Araya. Okay, Araya answered correct. Exert. Very, very good. Exert. Okay. So Araya got 5 points. Now let's go to number 4. Number 4 is a size or how weak or strong the force. How weak or strong the force is. How many boxes? Yes. How many boxes here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 boxes. It means it's a 9-letter word. What is the answer?
Letter M, teacher.
Chai.
Okay, letter M. I thought that I thought spell na.
Okay.
Magnitude.
Magnitude. Can you read again? Very good. Now, magnitude. Can you say again, Pemika? Magnitude.
Magnitude.
Very good. Good job. Now, let's go to number 5. What is the answer for number 5? It ends with letter N. A unit of force. Jetsada? What's the answer? Newton. Very good. Jetsada. 5 points. Very good. The correct answer here is Newton. Number 6. It has a letter T and letter N at the end. What is this word? Can you say again? Direction. Supercorn. Okay, Supercorn got 5 points. Good job. Can you spell Supercorn, the direction, please? Can you spell it?
Diection.
Very good. Good job, Supercorn. Okay, so you can turn off your microphone now. Now let's go to the next slide. Good job, everybody. Thank you, Wacharit, Samonrat, Araya, Pemika, Jitsada, and Supacorn. They have bonus points for today. Okay? The rest of the students, you can do better next time. Alright? Now let's go to to the next slide. What can a force do? Look at this. A force can push like this. Somebody turning on their microphone. Can you turn it off, please? Femika, can you turn off your microphone? Thank you. Good job. So what can a force do? It can push. Like the one you can see, like the robot is doing, pushing, no? Putting the object away from your body. Push. How do you say push in Thai, Wachari? Push, is that correct? Push, no? And the other one, another force here is a pull, okay? A pull is when you push the object or when you get the object closer to your body like this, no? That is pulling. Okay? We have a push and a pull. When you kick the ball, example, when you kick the ball, Supacorn, is that a push or a pull when you kick the ball?
Easy.
Push or pull? Supacorn, is that a push or a pull when you kick the ball? Do not shout, Wacharit. Okay, so when you when you kick a ball, that is a push, right? When you get the book and you go like this, it's a pull, right? It's a pull. So we have push away from your body and pull means closer to your body. All right. Now, what is Newton or what is force? Force is or the word Newton, capital letter N. Okay. So it is a unit of measure used in force. Have you heard of the word Isaac Newton? Have you heard Sir Isaac Newton?
Yes, I said Newton.
Okay.
Newton ก็คือแรงโน้มถ่วง
Okay. So the word Newton is actually named from Sir Isaac Newton because Sir Isaac Newton have 3 laws of motion: law of inertia, law of acceleration, and law of interaction. And these 3 he called the law of motion. So the motion, it involves force, and he is a father of this. Okay, he created or he theorized what is force, and actually was named after him the word Newton, or the unit used to measure in force. For example, in kilograms, okay, or grams or kilograms, we use to measure the weight. For distance, we use meter and kilometer for distance. So for force, we use Newton, capital letter N. Alright? Now, let's go to the next slide. What is force in daily life? Here, when you kick the ball, a push or a pull? A push. Very good. Now, can you tell me what happened to the ball after you kick the ball? Does it stay or does it move? Move. Very good. So, a force can make an object move. Can you read that one? A force can make an object move. Can you read?
From habit and object move.
Very good. So what about the next picture or the next video here? What happened to the tennis ball?
It's ball.
Yeah, it's flying. Yeah, it's a push. Yes. But yeah. What can a force do in this game? Does the ball travel in a straight line always? Or the ball go to the left, go to the right? Anywhere, tama? So, the meaning of force here is a force can change. Change แปลว่าอะไร เปลี่ยนใช่ไหม A force can change the direction. Direction แปลว่าอะไร
Direction แปลว่าอะไรวะแป๊บนึงนะ
What is the word direction means?
ทิศทาง
Okay. So a force can beyond the อะไรนะ
ทิศทาง
Okay, the direction of an object. Thank you, Premika. Now, another one here. What can a force do in this bicycle? If you pedal slowly, the bike will go slowly also. ใช่ไหม Now, when you pedal very fast, it means you use a lot of force. The bike will go slow or fast? Fast. Very good. So, it means that a force can make the object speed up. Speed up means faster. Okay? So, the more you use the force, then the faster the bike will go. Alright. Now, let's go to resultant force. Resultant force is the forces that we exert can act in the same or in opposite direction. Can you turn up the microphone, please? Thank you. So the forces that we exert, like this is a push. Okay, it can be in the same direction or in opposite directions. Okay, all these forces put together is called the resultant force. So, look at me everybody. I will pin myself. If this is Teacher Edward, like this is Supacorn, when we go like this, it's called same direction.ใช่ไหม This is same direction. We go up together, we go down together. That is same direction. But what about if what Charit go here and Teacher Edward go here? That is opposite. เข้าใจไหม Opposite. Or like this also, that is also opposite. You understand? Same direction, same direction, same direction, same direction. But like this, opposite. Understand?
Understand.
Very good. Now, I want you to open your book, page 82. And I want you to answer this very simple practice. Okay? So I will be giving you 1 minute to answer this one. The kids are playing tug of war. Same direction or opposite directions? Number 2. The kids are pushing a wheelbarrow. Same direction or opposite directions? Number 3. 2 horses are pulling a cart. Same or opposite directions? Number 4. The kids are moving a cupboard. Same direction or opposite directions? 1 minute starts now. Okay, I think all of you are finished now. Are you finished now? Finished in page 82? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
What about the others? Are you guys done? Let me call Pachara. Pachara, finish? Yes, okay. What about Puripat? Puripat, finish? What about my friend Putipong? Putipong, are you finished? Are you done?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Now let's try to answer if you got all the correct answers. The kids are playing tug of war, same or opposite direction? What's your answer? Araya, what's your answer? Same or opposite direction?
Opposite direction.
Opposite direction is the correct answer. Very good. Number 2. The kids are pushing a wheelbarrow. Same direction or opposite direction? Let me call Jitsada. What is your answer? Same direction is the correct answer. Very good. Now let's call Natanan. Natanan, what's your answer for number 3? 2 horses are pulling a cart. Same direction or opposite directions? Natanan? Okay, Natanan is not here. Let's call on Punchanok. Punchanok, what do you think is the answer here? Punchanok, do you know the answer here?
Yes. Yeah.
What is the answer for number 3? Same direction or opposite direction?
Again.
Number 3, page 82. 2 horses are pulling a cart. Are they pulling in the same direction or opposite directions?
Opposite direction.
Opposite direction is wrong. Sorry, the correct answer is same direction. Number 4, let's call I will call Metawit. Metawit, what is your answer for number 4, please? Same direction. Look at the picture. Are they going in same direction or opposite directions?
Same direction.
Very good. Good job. The correct answer is same direction. Who got 4 over 4? Who got 4 over 4? Raise your hand. Me, Jetsada, Femika, Araya, Putipong, Supakorn, Pachara. Very good. Good job. Now, let's go to the next slide. Resultant force happens when forces act in the same direction. The resultant force is the sum of all forces when the forces act in opposite direction. The resultant force is the difference between the forces. Wow, Teacher Edward, I don't understand that. Now, let's go with it one by one. First picture is same direction. Temai, can you see same direction, right?
Yes.
So, the first guy here have 25 Newton going to the right. And the other guy is 20 Newton go also to the right. So the net force here is 25 Newton plus 20 Newton is how much? How much? What's the answer? 20 plus 25.
45 Newton.
45 Newton. Okay, and it will go to the left or right? It will go to the right. Okay? It will,
Right.
yes, very good. It will go to the right. This is same direction. เข้าใจไหม Same direction. Now let's go about this. This is opposite direction. Look at this. What can you see in the picture? How many dogs can you see?
Two.
Okay, one dog is small and the other one is big, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, so the small dog and the big dog is fighting over a toy. And the small dog only have 10 Newton. And the big dog have 12 Newton. So what are we going to do? They are in opposite direction. You understand? The small dog go here, the big dog go to the other side. So what's the resultant force? You are going to minus or find the difference. 12 Newton minus 10 Newton is equal to
2 Newton.
2 Newton. Where will the toy go? To the left or to the right?
To the right.
To the right, because there's a 2 Newton to the right difference. Okay? So, that is opposite. Again, this is same direction, add, no? Add 20 plus 25. But if it is opposite, minus. เข้าใจไหม You understand?
Yes.
Okay, very easy. Now, we have number 3. Actually, I am following your book. If you can open your book, page 86, 87, and 88, there is the idea, or if you want to have a copy, or where you can follow while I am discussing, you can open your book. This is what we call a balanced forces. Look at this, everybody. No? Someone wrote, look at this. How many people can you see? There are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many Newton to the left?
300.
How many Newton to the right?
300 Newton.
300 Newton also. So we call it balanced forces. Because 300 Newton minus 300 Newton is equal to 0. So it means that they will stand still. Okay? So it will not move unless one of the two party will become weaker. Okay? So this is what we call balanced forces. Okay? Do you have any more question? If there are no questions, then we will go quickly to the next slide. Do you have a question? Question, Mimay? Me. Okay. So if there's no more, then let's take a look at here. Resultant forces are very useful in our daily lives. Here are some examples of resultant forces in action. There are 2 people. This is now found in your book, page 89. There are 2 people riding a tandem bike. So, when they ride this bike and there are exerting 2 forces, no? 2 different forces, then the bike will run faster. Okay? And this one is a suspension bridge. You can see that there's a small cable here so that it can balance the weight force of the bridge. And the third one here is there are 2 ladies who are on a boat. What are they doing? They have the oar and they are going to row their boat. Now, if there are more people that will row the boat, it means the boat will go faster, right? But if it's only one, the boat will not, or the kayak will not go very quickly. So that is the resultant force that we use in our everyday life. Okay, I would like to ask you again if you have any question regarding the lesson today. Resultant force in same direction, add. Resultant force in opposite direction, minus. And if it is balanced, it will not go anywhere. Okay? So, if there are no questions, then I will now send you the link. Okay, so here is the link for the Google form. I will send it here in the chat. Can you see now the link for the Google form? Yes or no?
Yes.
Alright. So, okay. This is group 4, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I will send also in the line group chat. Okay, I will send in the line Science Quiz 6. What is that? Force and motion. Okay, so please message your friends who are not here in the line meeting to please answer the Google form that I just sent you in the line and here in the line group chat. Okay, and please answer. That is only 10 items. Okay, we only have 10 items. And if your score is less than 5, you need to do again. Okay, so I will be giving you 10 minutes to answer this one.